Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys how can we pair Bluetooth earphone with our Redmi phone. Once you have your iPad earphone and guys you want to pair with your phone, so friend how can you pair? To today I will show you in this video guys. So before starting video friend, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys. Click the bell icon, like my video. So first of all guys we will on our phone setting and guys first of all guys on your earphones. So we will turn on our earphones and guys scroll it. As you can see phone Bluetooth setting guys, tap here and guys you will have to enable your phone Bluetooth guys. So we will enable phone Bluetooth, then I refresh option guys. Hence you can see your available device setting here, and hence you can see your earphone name. So what will you have to do, you will have to click on your earphone name to pair. And as you can see pairing, and guys pair with your phone CL guys, you can say pair request. So guys tap here to pair, then it will pair in your phone, and guys you can use guys while operating any app, music guys you can use it. So like that guys you can use guys your Bluetooth earphone with your phone, and guys you can see this icon which Bluetooth earphone has paired. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, bye friends.